Tati means egg in Konkani. Today we are making Tatyanchi Bhaji. Why do you call it Bhaji? I really have no idea, but mom would make it as quick fix for dinner. For this recipe we need 6 boiled eggs. Cut each egg into 6 to 8 pieces. It helps to have boiled eggs in the fridge so that you can really make this quickly in literally under 10 minutes. For the marination, we use half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder and half teaspoon of salt. We are now going to go ahead and give this a good shake so as to coat all the surface area with the spices. Heat some oil over medium flame. Once the oil is hot enough, add about 2 cups of chopped onion. We are going to cook this until the onion looks translucent. For faster cooking of the onion, let's add some salt. The addition of salt makes the onions sweat and help them cook faster. Now add about 1 1/4 cups of chopped tomato. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add some green chilies to taste. Give this a good mix. The amount of green chilies can vary based on your spice tolerance level. Now add the marinated eggs. Also add a splash of water, but don't add too much. The water helps create a nice coating around the eggs with the spice mixture. The eggs are already cooked, so we don't really need to cook it that long. Do a quick taste test and add red chili powder if needed. Once everything is coated properly, switch off the flame and add dhaniya. This dish goes very well with chapati and bread. Do not underestimate this dish because it contains less ingredients. Just add the right amount of namak and mirchi and you'll have one of the fantastic dishes that you can have. You can also serve it for breakfast, which is what I do on most days, by keeping some boiled eggs ready in the refrigerator. And it also helps make a quick dinner fix when the kids have a lot of activities and you're busy running around. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.